Hello, and welcome to Silent Driving Lessons. This is the Knowing Your Traffic Signs series. Regulatory signs. Other than those for low bridges, railway and tramway level crossings, bus and pedal cycle facilities and road works, most regulatory signs are circular. A red ring or red circle indicates a prohibition. A blue circle generally gives a positive, mandatory, instruction or indicates a route for use only by particular classes of vehicle. See sections on tram signs and bus and cycle signs. Two notable exceptions are the stop sign and road markings. You must stop before crossing the transverse line on the road and ensure the way is clear before entering the major road. The give way sign and road markings. You must give way to traffic on the major road. The upright sign or both the sign and the triangle on the road might not be used at junctions where there is relatively little traffic. No entry for vehicular traffic, including pedal cycles, usually indicates the end of a one-way road where all traffic is traveling in the other direction. No vehicles except pedal cycles being pushed by hand. Alternative plates used with the no vehicles sign, indicating times when vehicles are prohibited, except for access. No motor vehicles. No motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. No solo motorcycles. No towed caravans. No pedestrians. No ridden or accompanied horses. No horse-drawn vehicles. No articulated vehicles. No goods vehicles over maximum gross weight shown in tons. End of goods vehicles restriction. No vehicles or combinations of vehicles over maximum length shown. No vehicles carrying explosives. No vehicles over maximum width shown in metric and imperial units. No vehicles over maximum width shown in imperial units. No vehicles over the maximum gross weight shown in tons. The bottom plate is used where empty vehicles are exempt. Plates used to indicate exemptions from prohibition signs. Except for access to premises or land adjacent to the road, where there is no other route. Other exemptions may be shown, except for loading and unloading by goods vehicles. No overtaking. Where a road or bridge is very narrow, priority must be given to traffic from the other direction. There will usually be a give way line indicating where to wait. Where changes of direction are prohibited, a red bar across the sign is used in addition to the red circle. No U-turn, no right turn, no left turn. Exemption plate. Vehicles must not go beyond the sign where displayed by a school crossing patrol. Vehicles must not go beyond the sign where displayed by a police officer or traffic warden. Specified traffic must not use verge maintained in mown or ornamental condition. Proceed in direction indicated by the arrow. Turn left ahead, right if symbol is reversed. Vehicles may pass either side to reach the same destination. Keep left, right if symbol reversed. Plates supplementing, turn, signs. Mini roundabout, give way to traffic from the immediate right. One-way traffic. Nature of and distance to a prohibition, restriction or requirement. Weight restriction ahead, may show a different restriction. Location of weight restriction ahead with indication of an alternative route, may show a different restriction. Speed limit signs. Remember that in areas of street lighting, other than on motorways, a 30 miles per hour limit applies unless another limit is specifically signed. The maximum speed, in miles per hour, at which traffic may travel, if it is safe to do so. The national speed limit for the type of road and class of traffic applies. A larger sign indicates the start of a speed limit. Smaller repeater signs act as reminders. Repeater signs for a 30 miles per hour limit are used only on roads with no street lighting. Repeater signs for the national speed limit are used only on roads with street lighting, other than motorways. Road marking used in conjunction with upright signs to indicate the speed limit. Entrance to a zone where a 20 miles per hour speed limit is enforced by traffic calming measures, there may be no 20 miles per hour repeater signs within the zone. End of 20 miles per hour zone and start of 30 miles per hour speed limit. Start of a speed limit at the boundary of a town or village. Start of motorway regulations, including the national speed limit, unless a different speed limit is signed. Point on a road with street lighting where an existing 30 miles per hour limit originally ended but has subsequently been extended, temporary sign. This sign alerts drivers that a previous higher limit has been replaced by a 30 miles per hour limit by the removal of speed limit signs. End of roadworks and any temporary speed limit through those works may be supplemented by a sign indicating the permanent speed limit beyond TGE road works. Area where speed cameras are is use. Length of road where 2 cameras are used to measure the average speed of a vehicle between 2 points. Reminder that enforcement cameras are in use, may be supplemented by a speed limit sign. Speed camera nearby on a lit road with a 30 miles per hour speed limit, i.e. where there are no speed limit repeater signs. Speed camera nearby on an unlit road subject to the national speed limit, i.e. where there are no speed limit repeater signs. Maximum speed advised, in miles per hour, at a bend, the plate may be used with other warning signs. Minimum speed permitted, in miles per hour, unless it is impractical or unsafe to comply. End of minimum speed requirement. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.